Hello, everyone, and welcome to Talk and Learn. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Today, we're going to learn something very important: how to talk about yourself in English.
That's right. When you meet new people, introduce yourself. Let's start with your name. Hello, my name is John.
Perfect. Or you can say, "Hi, I'm Olivia." Both are good. Now, what about your age, John?
Good question. You can say, I am 30 years old, or just, I am 30.
Exactly. And I am 28. Now, where do you live, John?
I live in New York. You can also say, I am from New York. What about you, Olivia?
I live in Los Angeles. Oh, and your job is important too. I am a teacher. What's your job, John?
I am a doctor. You can also say, I work as a doctor.
Right. Now, let's talk about hobbies, things you like to do. I like reading books.
Nice. I like playing soccer. You can ask, what do you like to do? Or, what are your hobbies?
Perfect. Let's put it all together now. John, can you give us a complete example?
Hello, my name is John. I am 30 years old. I live in New York. I am a doctor. I like playing soccer, and I have one brother and one sister. Exactly. I have one brother and one sister.
That was excellent. Now you try it at home. Just practice.
Yes, the most important thing is to be confident. Just practice.
Remember, you can do it. That's all for today's Talk and Learn.
Thank you for listening. Practice this week.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.